Are you struggling to come up with design ideas for your report or redesign them? I've been there. I understand how frustrating it can be. After years of trial and errors, I realized the solution is surprisingly easy. Today, I'm not only going to share that solution with you, but I'll demonstrate how you can apply it by redesigning a report 3 different ways. And if you stick around, I have a surprise for you later on. Here we have a classic example of a sales report. It's functional, but let's be honest, it's a bit bland. It has the necessary information and it tells a story, but it doesn't have that je ne sais quoi. So, how can we improve it? Well, the easiest way is to add the background just like this one. We can tweak the style settings for the visual and change colors for the visuals like the KPIs or the line chart. The result? Something more vibrant and modern. I would say it's quite a difference, isn't it? We've gone from bland and generic to modern and eye-catching. But I've mentioned redesigning the report, not just its look. How can you tell a different story with the same report? And how do you decide what to change? Here's a tip. When creating a report, consider your audience. Sales managers might want to see total sales, average per sales, number of orders. Directors, on the other hand, might be interested more in cost and margins. This diversity in perspective might inspire you to combine elements to cater for everyone's needs. Let's get back to our example. One way of redesigning the report is by subtly changing the information on it. Notice how the focus changes from orders to cost and profits in this KPI visual. You can also enhance the narrative by adding more context in your line chart using titles and markers. If you want to learn how to do this step by step, then all you need to do is watch this video. Now for a third variation, replace the line chart with the stacked column chart, emphasizing the cost and profit and de-emphasizing sales. Now it's time for the surprises I promised. And yes, it is surprises, not surprise. First, another narrative change. Swap the column chart from the last design with the line chart showing the year-over-year growth percentage, shifting back to sales. Second surprise, as a thank you for watching this video, I've included in the description a link from where you can download this background and use it in your projects. I know you might be hesitant to share your email, but rest assured, I'll only use this email to share Power BI tips and perks with you. In report designing, sometimes all you have to do is look at what you have from a different perspective. Small changes like tweaking KPIs or visuals can significantly alter the story without much effort. For more design tips and ideas, feel free to check the Power BI design playlist. If you enjoyed this video, why not smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more Power BI content. This is Delian, signing off. Until next time, cheerio!